Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an error saying that the file is not a valid 32-bit application when trying to run such an application. So I would suggest first and foremost trying to re-download the application and make sure you're downloading the correct version. So there's also potential that download was corrupted, and see if you can try downloading it from a different website perhaps. If you're still experiencing a problem, I would suggest going ahead and opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. Now in this Elevate command line window, you want to type in SFC space / scan now. Again, SFC space / scan now. And this is the Microsoft System File Checker tool. And we're going to hit enter just to run it. Should be able to help fix corrupted files in Windows if you're having problems with various applications. This is more so if you're having problems with a lot of different files. And I'd also even consider, if you're still having problems after restarting your computer, try and perform a system restore and see if you have any restore points you can go back to an earlier time, and hopefully one of those methods should be able to yield positive results for you. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.